morning. Today we see binomial distribution. Binomial distribution, that is formula number first. Formula number first. P of x equal to x, ncx p raised to x into q raised to n minus x, where p plus q equal to 1, 0 otherwise, 0 otherwise. Formula number 2, mean equal to n into p, mean equal to n into p. Formula number 3, variance of x equal to npq, and formula number 4, standard deviation sigma equal to under root npq, that is sigma. Read as sigma. See here exercise. First, example number first, that is a die is thrown 4 times getting an odd number, getting an odd number is a success, is a success. Find probability of first 2 successes, 2 successes. Second, at least 3 successes. 4, at most 2 successes. For that, see over here given एक्सपेरिमेंट किती टाइम केला आहे त्याला n म्हणायचं, n इक्वल टू 4. प्रोबॅबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग एन ऑड नंबर, getting an odd number. We know a die is thrown 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Odd numbers 1, 3, 5. P of odd equal to 3 by 6 equal to half. That is probability of getting an odd number is successes is half, comma q equal to 1 minus p, 1 minus half equal to half. That is first here what is n, what is p, what is q and x. X number 1 2 successes. x जर दिला असेल 2 तर 2, 1 दिला असेल तर 1, 3 दिला असेल तर 3, 4 दिला असेल तर 4. एक्सपेरिमेंट ज्याप्रमाणे केलाय त्याप्रमाणे पहिल्यांदा 2 सक्सेसेस. मग फॉर्म्युला जनरल फॉर्म्युला आपल्याला माहित आहे, p ऑफ x इक्वल टू x ncx p रेज टू x into q raised to n minus x. Now put value of p of 2, x equal to 2, that is 4c2 half raised to 3 into half raised to 1, 4 3 upon 1 into 2, that is half raised to 4, base same indices addition, 6 upon 36, that is 3 by 8 equal to 0.375 is the answer of question number first. See and write in your notebook. Formula number first, formula number second, formula number 3, formula number 4 and example number first. A die is thrown 6 times. Find the probability that, find the probability that see and write in your notebook. That is Find probability that number 1. See and write in your notebook, that is probability of x equal to x. Example number first. Now second, that is P equal to at least 3 successes. P equal to at least 3 successes. Here n equal to 4, P equal to half, Q equal to half, X equal to at least 3 means 3 or more. 3 or more. That is x equal to 3 or more. That is x equal to 3 or 4. That is P of at least 3 successes is equal to P of 3 plus P of 4. P of 3 plus P of 4. That is equal to 4C3 half raised to 3 half raised to 1 plus 4 to 2 plus 4C4 half raised to 4 into half raised to 4 minus 0. That is equal to 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3 half raised to 4 plus 1 into half raised to 4. That is equal to 2, 3, 2, 3 get cancelled. 4 upon 16 plus 1 upon 16. 5 upon 16. 5 upon 16. 0.3125. See over here, we have to find at least 3 successes. At least 3 म्हणजे 3 or more. 3 or more. 3 or more means 3 or more. More means 4. We have x equal to 3 or 4. That is probability of at least 3 successes is P of 3 plus P of 4. P of 3 या फॉर्म्युल्यात n ची व्हॅल्यू 4, x ची व्हॅल्यू 3. P ची व्हॅल्यू हाफ, x ची व्हॅल्यू 3. Q ची व्हॅल्यू हाफ, n ची व्हॅल्यू 4 minus 3, 1. Similarly 4C4 and find the answer of the given question. That is example number 3. P at most 2 successes. At most 2 successes is equal to 2 or less. Is equal to 2 or less. That is at most 2 means 2 or less. That is equal to 0, 1, 2. That is equal to P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2. P of 1 plus P of 0 plus P of 2. That is equal to 4C0 half raised to 0 plus 4C1 half raised to 4 plus 4C2 half raised to 4. 401 into 1 by 16 plus 4 into 1 by 16 plus 4, 3, 1, 2, 1 by 16 is equal to upon 16 1 plus 4 plus 4. 9 upon 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6. 11 upon 16 is the answer of the question number 3. See and write in your notebook. That is probability of getting a success. See, at least 3 successes. See over here. Step first, find n. A die is thrown 4 times. Die is thrown 4 times. That is n equal to 4. Getting an odd number is a success. 1, 3, 5. P of odd, probability of odd number is total number 3 and n of s equal to 6, 1 by 2. Value of P is half, value of Q is half. We have to find at least 3 successes. At least 3 means कमीत कमी 3. म्हणजे जास्तीत जास्त 3 or more. म्हणजे x value 3 or 4. Step first, find n, p, q and x. Step second, find probability of at least 3 successes is P of 3 plus P of 4. Put value of n, x, p, q, n, x, p, q and solve 4C3 as usual. 4C3 by using formula NCR, n factorial upon n minus r factorial into r factorial and solve in your notebook. That is example number first, formula number first. Now for homework, example number second, that is a die is thrown 6 times. Getting an odd number is a success. Find probability of 3 successes, at least 3 successes and at most 3 successes. For that, see here n equal to 6, p equal to half, q equal to half. First, x equal to 3. Second, x equal to 3, at least 3 or more. 3, 4, 5, 6. And third one, at most 3, that is x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Put value and solve in your notebook. That is for homework. Example number second. A die is thrown 6 times. Find the probability that Find the probability that. Hint for that. Hint for that. Hint. Take first n equal to 6. Probability of odd. Odd number 1, 3, 5. P of odd is 1/2. Therefore, P 1/2. Q equal to 1 minus P. Q equal to 1 minus P. 1 minus half equal to half. That is. And for first, exactly 3, x equal to 3. इथं जर 2 सांगितलं तर x equal to 2 घेणार. 5 सांगितलं तर 5, 4 सांगितलं तर 4, 6 सांगितलं तर 6. At least 3, at most 3, or any example. Solve in your notebook. That is binomial distribution. See, and write in your notebook, that is write example number first and second in your assignment book. In your assignment book. होमवर्क रोजच्या रोज करा म्हणजे लक्षात येईल.